When it comes to remote work and digital collaboration, effectively managing and leveraging meeting recordings is more critical than ever. Microsoft Teams has a really robust platform for hosting these meetings, but navigating the recordings can feel like a maze, and that's where Tactiq steps in, transforming this challenge into an opportunity. By integrating Tactiq with your Teams meetings, you can unlock the potential to not only locate and manage your recordings effortlessly, but also to enhance them with real-time transcriptions and summaries. This guide is designed to walk you through the step-by-step process, ensuring that you can maximize the value of every meeting. To get started with this process, what you're going to do is go to the Chrome web store, and what we're going to do here is just download the Tactiq Chrome extension, which you can find by going to the store, typing in Tactiq, and then downloading the product simply and installing it into your Chrome. From there, we very easily can click on the Chrome extension and sign in and go to My Tactiq. And then from there, very simply, all we have to do is go to the integration sections here on the left and connect our Microsoft Teams account. Now, I've already done this, but what happens is for any of these different integrations, you're essentially gonna have a transcription take place when you're working with a product. So for example, we're going into try Microsoft Teams right now, and we're gonna join a quick meeting. So I'm gonna press join now. And you'll notice right here that the transcription starts taking place with Tactiq, which is very convenient. And I love it because I don't even have to think about it. It just starts recording. Where if we wanted to actually record this meeting in Microsoft Teams and track it, it would actually take some steps to get started with that. But here we just automatically have it transcribing everything. Now, in your Microsoft OneDrive account, what you actually can do is go to My Files and find the recordings folder. And then from there, if you open it up, you'll see that this is actually where any of the recordings would be if we were to actually record a Microsoft meeting. As you can see right here. Now to download this file, you'd simply click on it and click the download button. But what I really like about Tactiq is that I don't have to worry about this whole situation, right? Like I don't have to worry about going to my recordings in my OneDrive and opening up a file in order to watch the entire video. Like who wants to do that? As you can see right here in OneDrive, I have to click on it, and then you'll notice there's some other options at the top. You can simply click on download in order to get that onto your computer. So by pressing download, it'll download into your downloads folder on your computer. And by clicking on it, once again, you can press share and also send that out to any emails that you want, or copy the link in order to send it to individuals as well in whatever medium you'd like, whether it be to a specific person or anyone. This is very similar to what you'd find in a Google Drive shareable link as well. So for example, if I wanted to type out a specific person to send it to, like Tala at riseproductive.com, I can click on that and then adjust whether I want them to be able to make different edit or view permissions. And then from there, I could press send to send it to their email. Now, while that's great for its own purposes, what we prefer here is to just have that automatic transcription inside of Tactiq. So as you can see, we have a myriad of different meetings that have been recorded across many platforms, including Microsoft Teams. And once one of those meetings is done, you'll see there's a 22-minute recording here for Microsoft Teams, where we have a myriad of different things to look at. We have quick prompts that can quickly generate a short summary of the meeting, or detailed summary as well, in order to get a deeper insight as to what the topic of the meeting was about. For example, this is a meeting that I had with a group of people about a potential trip that I was going to take in France for a tech event. And as you can see here, this is an entire summary of that event, which is really cool. I'm excited about it. And if I wanted to know any of the key bullet points, I could go back and do a quick meeting prompt to go back and check it. Now, there are a bunch of different prompts that you can utilize in order to sum things up, like grab some action items right here. And after you use the prompt, it ends up like disappearing from the view, which I think is a great little nifty feature. As you can see right there, it actually creates it as a table, which is really cool, right? Like it's in markdown mode and it's in a table, which is so dang cool. I can't even believe it. And you also can ask specific questions that aren't based on prompts. So if I wanted to, I could type something out specifically, like what were the important dates mentioned, which is very true. I mean, it's an event that I need to go to, so I need to know the dates. So just pressing ask here, I can click on that. And you can see the event is scheduled to take place on May 22nd. It's true. The duration of the event is from 8 to 6 p.m., also true. So having that question be able to be answered just by it referencing this transcript that automatically recorded my Microsoft Teams meeting, way better than me needing to watch a recording. Let's be real. You can also search through the transcript and do so much more using Tactiq. We have a myriad of different tutorials on this channel showcasing to you how this product works. So if you're interested in checking it out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out other content like this one on how to improve your skills using Tactiq even more.